Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birth on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, you want to go to Account Center at the top. Then you want to scroll down until you see Personal Details. So you want to click on there. Then you should have the option to click on Date of Birth. So click on that. And this will just bring up all the accounts that date of birth is associated with. And it'll also give you the option to edit at the top right. So you want to click on there. Then it'll just let you know this date of birth is used for the accounts and profiles in this account center. Any changes that you make will apply to all of them. So obviously all you need to do is click on that date of birth, then just change it to whatever you need to do, then press set, and then press save at the bottom. And it'll just bring up a reminder of what you've set it to, and just select confirm. And that will change your date of birth. Thanks for watching.